Yeah, yeah.
I ain't gotta put shit away.
Sir, if you do not leave, you're gonna get.
I believe you there, sir.
Sir, please put the gun away. This is your last warning.
That's
I
too
don't give a
loud
fuck.
here, sir. Hippie. We can't talk to each other right now.
You locked me up for no reason, bitch. You don't make no sense. I don't give a fuck.
But sir, I think you have a connection also to the DP.
Say that again, sir?
I think you have also a connection from the DP because you're in the DP before, right? I know, PD.
Now they can again.
Yeah. Police station.
You see me?
Uh, I'll be there.
Also refusing to show ID. Now you're said at this point in time, I'm gonna ask for your ID. Please go ahead and stand inside the blue circle.
The fuck? Hey, I ain't trying to move from Chinese. Like, what? That don't make no sense.
Please stand inside the blue marker.
Yo, King Bakes is finna lose his job. Let's go.